In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly enable multi-factor authentication on Udemy to keep your account safe. This takes less than 2 minutes and it's one of the easiest ways to protect your personal information. Start by opening your preferred browser and searching for Udemy. Once you're on the official website, log into your account. If you're new to Udemy, you'll just need to create an account by entering your name, email, and a strong password. After logging in, look at the top right corner of the page and click on your initials. A menu will appear and from there select Account Settings. This is where you'll find all your account preferences and security controls. So scroll down until you reach the Account Security section. Here you'll see the option to enable multi-factor authentication, also known as MFA. Click Enable and UD will guide you through the verification process. You'll normally receive a code on your phone or email. Enter that code to confirm the setup and your account will instantly gain an extra layer of protection. And that's it. You've successfully enabled MFA on Udemy. It's a simple step that can make a big difference in keeping your account secure while you continue learning. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.